Good evening for everyone. I hope that all of you are having a great week, and I wanted to use this opportunity to develop with you a brief workshop in which we are going to try to boost the team cohesion and collaboration. You know, as you all know, our sales team is facing different challenges, especially in the terms of working, right? So we need to improve the activities that we perform in order to avoid the duplication of the activities. One of the main issues of that is the communication. Can anyone tell me what are the most important elements when communicating with others, please?
Listening very well to understand and not to respond. That will be the first one.
Giving the time to others to express freely without judging, listening very well to what they want to say.
Very good. Thank you very much. And what happens when we don't communicate on time? Uh, in our case, the different decisions that we make in the different fields that we have.
We end up doing things wrong, or in the worst scenario, we will doing the same and we will be wasting time and wasting resources, isn't it? Or am I mistaken?
That's right. Okay. So in order to collaborate, we need to understand the importance of the process of sharing information. So when we share information, we stop duplicating activities or outputs. So when we share that information, we don't repeat tasks and we don't misuse the resources. And we can focus in the contributions that each one can make to the team. So avoiding the redundancy of work permits that our knowledge is conducted through the way that we need, especially in this team of sales, okay? And then we will focus our efforts and maximize the efficiency. Also, when we inform and share on time, we understand better each other. And then we can understand the common goals that we have and how our different activities and contributions to the main task are um, being held, are producing more effective work. So, working towards the same objective eliminates and minimizes confusion, misunderstanding, and then it permits that all of us are aligned with the vision of the team. And also, we have an enhanced decision making because when we have collective information, constant communication, we can make informed decisions and then we can access a full landscape of the situation happening, identifying opportunities and identifying also challenges to face them effectively. So, how are we doing so far? Okay, very good. So, for effective collaboration, the contribution as a team leader will be building exercises in which we can allow and develop allow to trust others and develop trust by creating more cohesive unit. We can involve activities in which we use problem solving scenarios. What would you do in this case? How would you implement this, or what will be the strategies that you will use to solve this situation in order not only to solve the problem, but also to understand how the others think. Okay? We also can have open communication practices in which we can establish a regular team meetings online or face to face in order to keep communication ongoing. So we will be updated in that sense. We will be able to discuss all the issues to cover, and we will brainstorm solutions. We also, when we have clear roles and responsibilities, we are going to ensure that all of us understand our duties and that we all follow the instructions to reach the same objectives. So, when we are clear in our different responsibilities, we're not going to overlap or repeat or do something that is not our matter, that is not our business. And then we are going to work like building with Legos. Remember, we build with each part, we construct. And then when we train in conflict resolution, we will be able to communicate our disagreements in a very constructive way. And this is going to promote healthy environment and is going to facilitate the understanding among all of us. Then I would like to hear from you some ideas which can help the collaboration, the communication. I need you to brainstorm ideas which involve involve us as a team in order to improve the work. So the one who wants to participate, just
What about having a bulletin or somewhere where we can read what each one is doing? And in that way, we will be able to see if we are repeating the same actions. That would be very nice.
speaking.
Use the internet.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Very nice. Thanks for all your contributions. You are all right. Okay. So, in order to maximize the individual performance, we require to have regular feedback. So, don't feel don't find it strange if I call you, and then we talk about what we see that we are doing, the what we need, what we are doing okay, what are our achievements, and also what things or issues require to be covered and improved. Okay. Mm, reviews performance reviews. Sorry, we are going to understand how individual contributions affect or implement the process of the team, right? And as we know, all of you have different strengths, and some of you are very good at recalling laws and all the legal issues in regarding the sales. Some other of you are amazing bringing new customers. I mean, you have amazing abilities. So it's very important that we set the goals and we discuss these achievements in order to see the strengths, how to make them work all together. And then skill development training, investing in other opportunities, uh, see what we can learn from others, and going online, going to workshops online or presential. Okay. So what we can see is that all the members of this team usually exceed sales by 15% or more. And others develop successful marketing campaigns, I was mentioning, and successfully negotiate major contracts. All these are amazing skills that all of you have. And what is more important is how we are making all that information and all those skills work together for the well of the company. So, we are going to set some clear goals. First, we're going to communicate. We're going to ensure that everyone understands the objectives, the individual objectives, and how they affect the main goal, and how each one contributes to the overall achievement. We are going to have progress tracking in which we are going to monitor the goals and provide updates to the team. So this is going to keep everyone informed and motivated to stay on the track. And we're going to celebrate the milestones. It is very important to recognize that all of you have a very important and relevant role in our company. So we want to recognize all of that and be aware all the time that all your skills and abilities are in pro of the company. Then the constructive feedback, we are going to try to be very specific, talking about what we need to improve, what we need to keep working on. We're going to speak about timelines, um, try to be as respectful as possible, and to give you clear suggestions or actions to take next. The next step for now is we need to foster an environment of collaboration, open communication, constructive feedback, and we are going to improve in that way the sales team to a greater success. Does anyone would like to share a final insight about this topic?
I think, and talking in the name of all the team, thank you very much. Working.
Thank you very much. It's very nice to hear that. And thanks to you. Okay. So it was very nice talking to you today. As I told you, it was very short. Keep in mind what we were saying today. Keep communicating. We are able to do it. So let's keep working together and let's make this team the best team of the company. Have a great day. Bye.